Summer is right around the corner, and I know a lot of you guys are going to be doing a lot of traveling. I'm going to be doing some traveling this year. So these are the hair tools and products that I'm going to be packing with me for my trip. Before we start with the hair tools, I do want to mention a product that I have been loving lately that I always take with me whenever I travel. This lash serum from Olaplex. This is the Olaplex LashBond, and I have been using this for the last 3 months. This video is sponsored by Olaplex, so thank you so much Olaplex for sponsoring this video. You guys know I love Olaplex. I love their products, and I have been using their products for years now. So yeah, I'm a big Olaplex girl. I love their stuff. I actually took this with me to Spain, and that was about 3 months ago. That's when I started using this serum. So this is something that I always take with me whenever I travel, and I use this every single night, at least every single night. I sometimes do it twice a day, which is what you're supposed to do. This product is not a lash growth serum. It is supposed to make your lashes a lot stronger, fuller looking over time, and that's definitely what I noticed in the last 3 months, that my lashes just look fuller. They also look a lot stronger, and they are a lot stronger. I'm so used to doing this every night now before I go to sleep that it only takes me like a minute to do. Like, I'll do my skincare, and I like to apply my toner, my serum. When my serum is like drying up, I'll go in with this. I'll put it right on top of my lashes, like that lash line right there. Do one swipe, that's all you need. Do the other side, and then yeah, I feel like this feels super gentle on my eyes. I tried a lash serum once, and my eyes were constantly red and irritated, and I definitely don't feel like this does that to my eyes. This is so gentle. Like, when you put this on your eyes, you know that you're putting something that is safe for your eyes. So yeah, really like this. This is going to make your eyelashes look fuller and thicker and a lot stronger over time, and that is definitely what I feel like this did to my lashes. So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep using it, and I am going to take it with me to my trip. I love that this has the Olaplex bond building technology. So that technology that you see on their products, like all the other products, it has it as well on this serum. So yeah, you're basically taking super well care of your lashes. They also have this new peptide complex technology that is also in this serum. So I'm gonna put some more info on the screen so you guys can see what exactly that is. But basically it's a blend of ingredients and oils that are just going to help with all those benefits that I just spoke about. Now let's move on to some hair products that I'm going to be taking with me. Let's actually start with the shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to take. Since I don't want to take a huge shampoo and conditioner, I'm just going to take these minis from the drugstore. I know that I'm going to use these up, and I'm just going to throw them out over there. So these are perfect to take with me. I'm going to be linking these down below if you guys want to check them out. But I really like that these are just very small, and they get the job done, and they're also very moisturizing. So yeah, I love the size of these. They're so cute. When it comes to mask, I'm just gonna take one. I'm just going for 2 weeks. I don't need a ton of products, so I'm gonna take the Olaplex number 8. I love this mask. This one's actually new, which is perfect, so I'm gonna just take this with me. And I don't think I'm gonna use all of this because this is a lot of product. A little bit of this product goes a very long way, so I'm not going to use a ton of this, but it's a nice small size, and it's perfect for traveling, and I can use this whenever I leave my hair natural, which I probably will do most of the time because it's so humid out there and I don't have time to blow out my hair. But I am going to take some tools just in case I decide to blow out my hair. You guys will see what I'm talking about. When it comes to styling products, I am going to take a couple. I'm going to take the number 6. This is the leave-in styling treatment. Love this product. And I'm also, of course, taking the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. I am almost running out, so I think I'm gonna leave this one home, and I might take this one, which has a little tiny bit more. But you'll be surprised, this is going to be enough for 2 weeks. I promise you. These products last you such a long time. I used a little bit today, and I literally used like 3 drops. And my hair feels so soft, it's so shiny, and that's all you need. You don't need a ton of this product. I love mixing these two before I blow out my hair, but also I could use this one as a leave-in conditioner before I apply my styling curling products, or I can use the oil after I blow out my hair or leave my hair natural to add a little bit more of shine. And I have this little number 9 that I got with my points at Sephora, and I'm definitely taking it with me because how adorable is this? How cute. So this one is basically this one. This is the full size. I'm gonna link them down below. I think I can only link this one down below. I think this one you can only get with points or something, or maybe as like a free sample, but I'm definitely gonna be linking this one down below. But since I do have the mini, I'm gonna leave this one home and I'm just gonna take this with me. This is a product that I use all the time. Even when I leave my hair natural or I blow it out, this is the first step. This is kind of like a serum for your hair, so it has to be the first step before you do even these two. So I like to add this on my hair, on my wet hair, and this is going to protect my hair from the heat, and it's going to be kind of like a shield to so many things that damage your hair. So yeah, definitely recommend the number 9. It is amazing. I am definitely going to need something for my curls to stay nice in place, and what I'm going to use is this product. This is also from the drugstore. This is kind of like a gel. So this is a mega shaping cream. This is something that I'll put after the number 6 leave-in treatment, just to kind of give my hair a little bit more of hold and to control frizz a little bit, because it's going to be very humid and my hair gets super frizzy in the humidity. So I am going to need some type of gel or something. Surprisingly, those are all the hair products that I'm going to be taking with me, because I've noticed that sometimes I go crazy packing a ton of hair products, and hair products are heavy. So let's move on to the hair tools that I'm taking with me. I'm going to be taking a couple of hair tools because I don't know if I'm going to want to blow out my hair. I might want to. Maybe in Texas the weather's a little bit more dry, not as humid I think than DR, so I might want to blow out my hair once in the whole trip. So I am going to take some hair tools for that. So I'm going to take this mini blow dryer. How cute is this? It's so small and it's perfect for traveling. It's not dual voltage, so I want to be able to really take this with me to Spain if I wanted to, but this will work in DR and Texas, so I'm fine. It's not my favorite blow dryer to blow out my hair, I'll be honest, because it's not the most powerful, but for traveling it's fine. For one day it's not bad, you know, like it can definitely get the job done and save me some space in my luggage. So I'm going to be taking this one with me. I'm also going to be taking a straightener with me because I just always need a straightener. Just in case, you know, just in case. And I feel like this isn't going to take up too much space, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I'll be taking a straightener with me. I'm going to link all these hair tools down below if you guys want to check them out. But this one's amazing, and this one is dual voltage, so if I wanted to take this one with me to Spain I could, but yeah, this one's very nice. I'm also taking this curling wand because this curling wand, I mean, do you see this? How cute and little this is? I used it today to curl my hair, and it actually curled my hair super quickly. I actually prefer this one over the blow dryer brush. So the last hair tool that I'm taking with me is this one. I had to. I mean, this hair tool is amazing, and it has a diffuser attachment. You guys already know this is one of my favorite dual voltage blow dryers, but it also is very compact, as you can see. Like what? And I'm going to use mainly the diffuser attachment with this hair tool. It does bring a nozzle attachment as well if I wanted to use it to blow out my hair. So last but not least, I have to take a couple brushes because what are you going to do to your hair if you don't have brushes? I mean, come on, you have to pack some nice brushes. So I'm taking maybe about 4. So you guys let me know if you think this is too much. I think this is fine. Hear me out. So this brush for parting my hair, I just love it. I mean, I could also use this if you think about it to part my hair, but I like using this on wet hair just to like divide sections. I feel like this is not going to take up too much space, so I'm going to take both of them. This one is great for like when I do hairstyles and put my hair back and stuff when my hair is naturally curly. I love using this, so definitely taking this with me. And I'm taking these 2 brushes. This one is amazing. This is really good for like in the shower, outside of the shower, once your hair is like dry, wet, to detangle your curly hair. It's so good. I also like using it to kind of define my curls. Like, it's just so good. So I'm definitely taking this one with me. I need to clean it, but yeah, it's amazing. And I'm still thinking about this one. Should I take this one? I only use this brush on dry hair. I love keeping it nice and dry. I don't like really using a wet brush on dry hair, even though it might be dry by the time I use it at night or something. But I still feel like this is just a brush that I want to use only on wet hair. Am I the only one? I know I'm not the only one who thinks this way. So wet hairbrush, dry hairbrush. What do you guys think? Should I pack both of them? I feel like I might end up doing that. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you again, Olaplex, for sponsoring this video.